There are wars that are fought by men and women at the borders. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है जो घर पर हैं वो कोई कम लड़ाई लड़ रही हैं. और ये जो अर्धांगिनियों का रूप होता है उनको एक सलाम देते हुए इस किरदार को इस बड़े पर्दे पर ला रही हैं द वन एंड ओनली हमारी पैन इंडियन फेवरेट्स द वंडरफुल राशि खन्ना. हाय राशि. Farhan, can I please request you to join us? Hi Rashi. Center. 120 सही है सर आपके लिए. मैं सवाल पूछ लूं कि आप फोटो पहले लेंगे? फोटो ठीक है. अभी देखो ना, अभी माइक फिर से कहीं और देना पड़ेगा. Thank you. I'm going to give you this mic. Rashi, it's so wonderful to see you on that screen. I introduced you by saying that, you know, the battle that the women also fight, you know, while their men are at war mostly. I think it's a very underrated battle. What was it like for you to be a part of this role? Please tell us.
सभी को नमस्ते. Good afternoon. I think आपने एसेंस तो बता ही दिया है मेरे किरदार का कि यू नो जो औरतें होती हैं उनकी हिम्मत के बिना उनके हस्बैंड्स बॉर्डर तक नहीं जा सकते, यू नो. तो देयर इज़ अ सर्टन सेंस ऑफ वल्नरेबिलिटी इन दिस कैरेक्टर एंड देयर इज़ ऑल्सो दिस ग्रिट एंड स्ट्रेंथ दैट शी हैज़. और ये किरदार निभाने के लिए बिल्कुल आसान नहीं था, ये मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ. जो आप रिस्ट्रेंट देखेंगे डायलॉग्स में, जो उनके साइलेंसेस हैं कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में, जो केमिस्ट्री है मेरी और फरहान सर की इस फिल्म में, I want to thank Farhan sir for being such an amazing co-star. I also want to thank Rezi sir because मुझे लगता है कि इस फिल्म ने मुझे चुना. और this film reminds me why I became an actor in the first place, to be a part of stories that need to be told. And I think this is one story that definitely needs to be told. मुझे भी मैंने भी सर की तरह इस कहानी के बारे में नहीं सुना था. और सुनने के बाद मुझे लगा कि ये बड़े बड़े पर्दे पर ज़रूर दिखानी चाहिए. With the technicians that we have, the brilliant technicians that we have. And I want to thank Ritesh sir and Farhan sir for giving me this opportunity. और जैसे इन बहादुरों में एक बहादुर ने बोला कि it's not excellent entertainment, it's excellent entertainment. I would like to say कि मेरा experience बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहा. मैं ये इसलिए कहना चाहूँगी क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे इतना स्पॉइल कर दिया एज एन एक्टर, मेरा ध्यान रख के इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान रखा कि अब जब मैं दूसरे प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस में काम करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है अरे ये तो एक्सीलेंट का एक्स भी नहीं है, यू नो. एंड आई थिंक आई वॉज डेफिनेटली स्पॉइल्ड. दे हैव ट्रीटेड मी सो वेल लाइक अ क्वीन and I definitely would love to collaborate with them again. But I'm very, very proud to be a part of this film.
Thank you so much, Rashi. It's about, I think this is the first time the two of you are coming together on a
Actually,
big
you
screen,
know,
right?
not a lot of people know, but I want to say this. That, sorry sir.
Even you in college when I was doing something. पूछ ही लो पहले.
No.
Don't stop.
नहीं.
Bring it on.
Actually, 10 साल पहले जब मैं नहीं, मैं एक बार बोल देती हूँ. 10 साल पहले मैं मॉडल थी. मैंने नई नई मॉडलिंग शुरू करी थी और यू नो आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ बिकमिंग एन एक्टर. तो तब मैंने एक एड करी थी टीवी कमर्शियल फरहान सर के साथ. या एंड 10 साल के बाद अब इस फिल्म में मैंने उनके साथ काम किया है. बहुत ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने ये नोटिस भी किया कि यू नो लाइफ डज कम अ फुल सर्कल एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हैव शेयर्ड द स्क्रीन विद हिम.
How beautiful.
You're okay sir now?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, okay.
वो प्रोडक्ट इतना पॉपुलर हुआ कि यूनिवर्स कंस्पायर्ड टू ब्रिंग अस बैक टुगेदर.
Oh, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thank you so much, Farhan.
No, but it's actually been an absolute pleasure, Rashi, working with you. वो कह रही है कि this story found her. I believe it actually to be the other way around.
Wow.
You know, I feel that parts find the people who are best suited to play them. And we couldn't have done better than get Rashi to do this role. She's incredible in the film.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. I'd like to those amazing heels and me to kindly stay on the stage because I'd like to open the floor for media Q&A. But joining you, of course, can I please welcome back on the stage Ritesh, Rezi, Sparsh, representing the Charlie Company at this point, and Farhan's already here. Amit, if I'm not mistaken, is not with us yet. So could we please get mics for everybody on the stage? Thank you. And can I please request our cast and crew to step in alignment with the center of the stage? And at this point, we throw it open to the audience, and especially our friends from the media. You know how it works. If you have a mic, if you have a question, raise your hand, a microphone will come to you. And please ask the question to the person that you want to ask it to. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Shubhra from ABP News right here. Farhan, my question is to you कि हमने अभी teaser में दादा किशन सुना और सबने जयकारे भी लगा दिए. But we want to know more about Dada Kishan because clearly your name is Shaitan in the film.
Yeah, so it actually is the war cry of the Ahir regiment, and they are descendants of Lord Krishna. So when they call Dada Kishan is actually their great grandfather Lord Krishna. So that's how they say Jaitu before they go out to battle.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I mean, on some level, that is true. That is the truth. I do believe maybe I take films too seriously, you know, so I always want to try and give the audience something more than just entertainment. Of course, entertainment is important. It's a part of coming to a theater and having a community experience of watching something. But to me, I feel that there has to be something more over and above that. So you can just call me fussy, I guess, for the lack of another word. I just wait for the right thing to come along, and I couldn't have asked for anything better than this.
So when you heard the story, you were like, okay, now I want to come back.
Yeah, I also wanted to meet all those people that I had met when they were little kids,
Well,
who were watching me shooting various films and doing different things in my life. उनसे भी मिलना चाहता था मैं, तो fortunately वो काम भी हो गया साथ में.
all right, thank you so much.
Here. Hello. Here.
On the right, yes, at the aisle.
Hi. Hello, everyone. This is Komal Vishwakarma from IWM Buzz. Firstly, congratulations on creating such a brilliant film. मैं इसे देखना पसंद करूँगी. मेरा question Rezi sir और Farhan sir आप दोनों से है. Rezi sir, firstly, I want to know from you is how will 120 Bahadur change the perception of Indian audience on war films?
Well, I hope to change the perception forever because I grew up with war movies and Western, the Wild West movies, and my father was in the army, so I take it very seriously because when I was growing up, I didn't see too many war films which were done properly. So I've been in the industry for 35 years, so I've used all my experience to shoot this war film to the best of my ability, and we've got a great crew. And they've done a fabulous job, so I think you'll be happy.
Thank you so much. Farhan sir, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे.
All I can just add to it is to say that I hope that this movie inspires more writers, more filmmakers, more directors to look into our past and look into our glorious past of all kinds, because we have incredible moments of bravery, courage, decisions taken in the face of some tremendous adversity. That now make us who we are and make us the country that we are today. So hopefully it'll inspire more people to go out and search for these diamonds that are hidden in the ashes of time.
Actually, I wanted to know from you is after spending so much time in the industry with so much experience, क्या अभी भी आपके लिए box office numbers matter करते हैं?
Well, the love of the audience does matter, and I think the most quantifiable way to put it, I would imagine, is the box office number. But what you want is for people to come in and love your film. I think that's what's really important. So that's what I'm focused on. I've always believed that with every single film that I've done up until now. The box office numbers, honestly, it's more for the entertainment of the public than it is for people who are making the film. So that's how I see it.
Hello, at the center here.
शिल्पा हियर फ्रॉम मायापुरी मैगजीन। मेरा सवाल फरहान और राशि आप दोनों के लिए है। जिस तरह से टीवी कमर्शियल ऐड की आपने बात किया, अब उसके बाद आई थिंक सिनेमा में एक फ्रेश पेयर जो है हमें देखने को मिलेगा और इतनी अमेजिंग केमिस्ट्री भी देखने को मिलेगी। क्या कुछ ऑडियंस को कहना चाहेंगे, आपका क्या कुछ अनुभव रहा एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने का?
ओके, आई थिंक आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस कि जब मैं एज अ मॉडल सर के साथ काम कर रही थी तो आई थिंक वो एक दिन काफ़ी नहीं था। आई थिंक हम वी बोथ वर वेरी रिजर्व्ड, तो हमने ज़्यादा बात नहीं करी। लेकिन जब आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है और आपको समझ आ जाती है कि बहुत सारे और भी दिन काम करने हैं, तो इट्स बेटर टू ओपन अप। तो जब हम इस फिल्म पे साथ आए तो आई हैव टू थैंक फरहान सर फर्स्ट बिकॉज ही ब्रोक द आइस। मैं थोड़ी ऑकवर्ड हूँ, लेकिन सब बहुत ही अच्छे थे। एंड आई डोंट नो इफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो दिस, बट ही डज हैव अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू से दिस दैट वी नो हिम एज एन एक्टर, वी नो हिम एज अ डायरेक्टर, यू प्रॉब्ली ऑल्सो नो दैट ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। लेकिन what I realized is, like my parents have always taught me कि अगर आप एक इंसान के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो आप देखें कि वो अपने आसपास लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, एंड आई थिंक ही ट्रीट्स एवरी वन विद इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट, चाहे वो जो भी हो। And that's a quality that I have not seen in a lot of people, is why I cherish him more as a human being. Of course, I love him as an actor and a director, but I think I really, really like him as a person, and he's very, very inspiring, very, very disciplined, and I think अब तो सबको पता चल ही गया होगा कि अगर मैं कुछ बोलूँगी तो I genuinely mean it. I genuinely mean this, that the experience has been incredible, and I really hope कि मुझे ऐसी और opportunities मिले उनके साथ काम करने की. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Say something about
Yeah, the first thing I noticed about Rashi कि वो हमेशा सच बोलती है, and I appreciate that about her very, very much.
स्पर्श मेरा
नहीं, मुझे कुछ बोलने भी दिया, वो मजाक था यार, please. No, very honestly, I have always liked to work with people who are serious about what they do, are sincere about their work, are committed to their work. That comes first. And that is the first thing that I noticed in Rashi when we started working together, that she was very, very committed to making sure that this role could be lifted from paper and be made into a flesh and blood person in a way that is very, very like commendable and very, very, very lovable in the film. That was important. And उसके बाद मतलब हमने काफ़ी वक्त बिताया एक साथ, जब शॉट सेटअप हो रहा था ऐसी, तो यहाँ वहाँ की बातें बहुत हुई. And it was just wonderful to get to know you. I wish you all the best with everything. I know that she has a long, long way to go. This is her career just getting started. आपने जो भी देखा है, that's just a teaser. There's a lot more to come.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Hello. Hi, Anjulika here, center, sir. Just little off center from me. Yes. Hi, Anjulika here from IBP Chronicles. My question to Rezi sir, how was it directing a director?
Very tough. Very, very tough. Because he's very demanding. I have to be up to the ball every single time. And there's not a single moment. He gets up in the morning at 6 and he starts messaging me. So I have to be in top of my game to be working with a man like this. I really respect, what he brings to the table as a director and an actor. But I have to tell you this, being an actor on the set, not once did he cross the line. He gave me that respect as a director because he himself is a director, so he understands that. So I think we had a wonderful relationship here in this film. So, yeah.
So same question goes to Farhan sir. So what were you thinking when he was directing you?
I wasn't thinking when he was directing. I was thinking about what I'm supposed to do in the shot. I was thinking about अभी एक बहुत लंबा टेक आने वाला है एक्शन का, तो मैं सांस कैसे पकड़ूंगा उस शॉट के बाद. So I was focusing on survival while he was focusing on how to set up the next shot and take the story where he needs to. No, but he's done an incredible job. I'm sure all the people sitting here will, उन्होंने कहा है जब वो स्टेज पे थे कि जो ड्राइविंग फोर्स थे इस फिल्म के पीछे 100% without a shadow of a doubt, the creative vision that all of us have followed has been Rezi's.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
And I want to know, as filmmakers, we have recently seen that, AI has always been used for good things as well as negative. But recently, a film's climax was changed with the help of AI without consent of the filmmakers because a certain production house has the rights of it. I want to know your opinion, all three of you.
Well, I will always stand with the creator of the film. And if the creator of the film was unhappy about his or her work being changed, I will always support the creator. So that's where my loyalty lies. The rest, the finer print of what happened there, I I'm not privy to, but that's all I can say about it.
Hi, this is Rimana from Bollywood Reporter. Farhan, this question is for you. I see that you normally pick up a lot of biographies and you do take time. It looks like you're very patriotic and there is a message that you're trying to give to the masses that, you know, what we are or what we have done in the past. Light on this particular thing, yeah.
I'll be very honest with you that I don't go around looking to give messages. But like I said earlier, I would like to engage beyond just base entertainment. That is important to me. So I do search for stories that can resonate with human beings on a human level, you know, and inspire you or make you think about something different in your life or something that's going on that you're unaware of, and maybe this will help you channelize your feelings and your thoughts. But that's really about it. And I mean, history is important. That makes us who we are. So whenever something does come along that can then showcase history in a positive way, in a way that is not prejudiced or biased in any kind, can show it for what it is, I'm happy to be a part of it.
Hi.
Hello, this is Siraj, from filmfestivals.com. Farhan and Raz, the first war film that we produced in India was called Hakikat in 1962, which unfortunately suffered from heavy censorship because an Indo-China ceasefire agreement was being negotiated at that time. So the valor and the bravery of the Indian soldiers at that time was severely censored and edited out from that film. More than 63 years later, this is before even Farhan was born. So much time has passed and so much technology is available. These are two great factors in your favor. There is nothing to stop you. And I don't know whether the film has been completed and censored, but any problems and obstacles in your way. Have you really gone the whole hog and, gone into real details and the bravura, the saying in Urdu and Hindi ke कोई जंग में अपनी जान दे दे वो नहीं देखा जाता, किस शान से उसने जान दी वो देखा जाता है.
Thank you, sir. My father was in the army. I have a huge responsibility here, being an army officer's son, to do justice to something like this. I grew up with the story. I heard this story 20 years ago. I've been working on this film for 8 years now, and it's thanks to these two gentlemen here next to me that it's been possible to make this film. And we have worked very hard. Talking about the battle scenes, we have a team coming from Prague. They did all choir on the Western Front, which won many Oscars. So they've shot our battle sequences. So you'll be proud, let me tell you that.
Well, thank you so much for all of your questions, my friends from the media. Of course, you can rest easy now, but stay with us for a little bit more because we want to also call upon stage some of our friends जिनके बगैर ये फिल्म शायद ही बन पाती. सबसे पहले डायलॉग, जान भर दी इस फिल्म में इनके डायलॉग ने. सुमित अरोरा साहब को मैं इस मंच पर बुलाना चाहूंगी. सुमित जी, राजीव जी मेनन को मैं इस मंच पर बुलाना चाहूंगी फॉर स्टोरी एंड स्क्रीन प्ले. हाय राजीव. कासिम जगमगिया साहब को स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी. कासिम जी. विशाल रामचंदानी. विशाल जी, would you kindly join us on stage? रूचा जो को प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं. अरहान बगाटी जो एसोसिएट प्रोड्यूसर हैं. अनिल थड़ानी ऑफ AA फिल्म्स. एंड सुनीता जी, आपसे तो दरख्वास्त होगी ही हम सबकी तरफ से कि आप मंच पर आएं. Can I please request you all to kindly step up and be a part of this moment with us? It takes a village, they say. It takes so many to make a film and to bring it out, especially a film like this. 120 बहादुर दोस्तों, बड़े पर्दे पर तो आप देखेंगे 21 नवंबर को, लेकिन इन बहादुरों को भी सलाम कीजिएगा जिनकी वजह से ये फिल्में बनती हैं. Please give them a round of applause. They totally deserve it.